Guys, most welcome to Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to go for iPhone backup easy way. So just to see, you have to download iTool for software. So iTool for software, this is I have already installed in my PC. Now see, if you would like to download this software, you can download by clicking below the description box. There I have given a download link there, so directly you can download from there. And after downloading, you will have to install this software in your PC or laptop. Then after installing, you have to go in here toolbox. In toolbox, you have to click here tools driver diagnostic. Whatever tools will be required there, it will recommend, and you will have to install those ones. After installing, simply just you have to click iTune backup manager. Otherwise, you can come once again on device, and here you have to click. After clicking here, just you have to go for backup. Now guys, here you have to select where you would like to save this all backup data. So suppose I would like to save on my hard disk here in any folder. Suppose this folder here, I would like to save this backup. So I have selected this folder. Now I will go for start to OK. So guys, here see, when I will click start to OK, it will start to backup of that. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. My motive that how you will go for backup of your iPhone device. So if this video has been benefited to you in any way to enhance your knowledge about the iPhones as well as the information technology, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time, bye bye.